Today you're going to learn how to make this paper airplane. First, you need a plain white sheet of paper, and you're going to fold it in half like this. You got to make sure the edges are perfect, because if they're not, it screws up everything else. Okay, so you see this. Now you take this corner right here and you fold it to where it's even with the top, like so. Same with the other side, and you do the exact same thing, making sure that it is exactly along the top. So now you fold this corner down to this point, and you need to make a good crease. And same with the other side. Down to that point, and make a good crease. Now you're going to open these flaps up, and if you did it correctly, you should have this little flap right here. But you're going to take this edge right here and line it up with this fold right there. So you're going to fold it right there. It's kind of hard to see because of lighting, but you fold it right there, then you fold it in like that, like that. And then you're going to take this and fold it down like the exact same thing, and once again fold it in. Now you should have a little arrow. So now you take this portion right here and you make sure that it is exactly like you pull it from where it touches the arrow, and then you bend it up and you crease that down good. Make sure everything's creased tight, and then you fold it in half, trying to get it as perfect as possible. Okay, so now that's like this. You fold this along this line. Make sure that the nose isn't bent up at all. Make sure it's a point. And you do the same with the other side. And there you have it. The plane. And it does really good, and if you throw it straight up in the air, it should do a backflip and keep gliding. So, thanks for watching.